Hello guys, welcome to the first video tutorial on Android app development for beginners. Now I'm not going to give you the basic or brief introduction of Android because you may know or you must know what is Android. Most of the mobile devices and nowadays TV and wearable technology uses Android as their main operating system. So I'm going to start this video series how we can download and install and configure Android app development environment, and we are going to use Android Studio to develop our Android apps. So to configure Android Studio, first we need to have Java in our operating system. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java JDK and configure the environment variables. And in the next video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Android Studio and configure it to develop Android applications. So let's get started. First of all, we need to download Java. So just search for Java JDK and search for it. It's Java JDK, and most probably the first link here will appear from www.oracle.com and / some URL. So click this link here, and in here you just need to click ask me later, and in here in this web page you may see two options. One is NetBeans with JDK8 and second is Java platform. So NetBeans is an IDE to develop Java applications, and at this time we don't require this. We are going to download this Java on our system, so just click this icon Java, and in here you may see different options for downloading Java JDK for Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris and other operating systems. And this series I'm going to show you how to develop Android apps on Windows, so we will do it on Windows. So just click the option I accept, and in here if you are running Windows 8, it's most probable that your operating system is 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to download this 64-bit Java executable file from here. So just click this JDK-8 U25. At the time of making this video, JDK8 is the latest one, so I'm going to click this link to download this JDK file, which is an executable file, and it can take some time to download. So I will let it download, and I will see you when it's fully downloaded. So now my download is complete, and I'm going to run this executable file, and I will say yes, and it will prepare the installer for us for installing Java. And once this is prepared, it's easy to install Java. You just need to click some next buttons, and most probably it will be installed in few minutes on your Windows operating system. Or if you are using Mac, I think they already give updates for Java, so you don't need to do anything. And it says that Java is already there in my computer, so I don't need to do anything. So once you have installed this Java, it's not a rocket science to install Java. You just need to click some next button, and most probably after everything is finished, you just need to click this finish button. And once it's installed, you will be able to see in your PC in C folder of your operating system. In here you just need to go to program files, and in here you will be able to see this Java folder in your C and / program files folder. And in this Java folder there will be two files. One is JDK folder and second is JRE folder. JDK stands for Java Development Kit and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So for our purpose, for developing app on Android Studio, we need this JDK. So what we need to do is we need to set the environment variable for Java so that Android Studio can recognize this. So what I will do is I will copy this path from here, which is C colon slash program files slash Java slash whatever is the name of your JDK folder. So it starts from JDK. So just copy this path from here, and now we are going to go to the system. So just search for system, and in the system we are going to go to advanced system settings. Okay, so go to the advanced system settings, and in here in the advanced system settings you need to click environment variable, which is this option. And in here what you need to do is you just need to click in this system variables. You just search if this Java home variable is there, and if it's not there you just need to click new. Most probably you need to give this environment variable, so click new, and in here you just need to write Java underscore home all in capital. So Java underscore home, everything is capital. So you should do, or you should write this Java home exactly the same, Java underscore home. Okay, and then copy the path or paste the path which you have copied from here, which was your C colon slash program file slash Java slash JDK. Okay, this path you will get after installing Java JDK. So you just need to do this, click OK and click OK and click OK, and everything is done. So now Java JDK is installed on your system, and you have successfully set the environment variable for JDK. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will see how we can download and install Android Studio for developing our Android apps. So stay tuned and please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.